Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create custom matches in WWE 2K26. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, just go to this option custom matches, select new, and right here you need to choose the match type. You can choose ladder, table, normal match, a tag team match, Hell in a Cell, whatever you wanna create, just choose that. In my case, I wanna create a Hell in a Cell match, so I'll select that. Then we need to choose whether it's gonna be one-on-one, triple threat, fatal 4-way or 5-way, 6-way, whatever that is. We need to select that. I'm gonna choose one-on-one. Then here choose whether it's gonna be pin only, submission only, or both. Then here you can choose 2 out of 3 falls, something like that. You need to just basically set rules according to you. And if we go to the next one, we have the option for time limit. You can put time limit on this match if you like. Then we have the option for finishers, like if you want to set any finishers for players, like if you put this on 1, then they're gonna have 1 finisher by default stored. You can put this on 2 or 3. Then at the bottom we have the option for default health as well, so you can put this on low so that your like whatever players are playing inside the cell gonna have low health. Underneath of health we have the option for cell type, and right here you'll able to change the cell type to red, rusted, classic. And again, depending on your match type, these settings would be different. Go to the next one. Here we have the option to choose weapons. You can choose anything in the slot 1. I'm gonna choose, let's say, this one. Then you can also adjust all the slots. Select accept once you change it. On the final window, we need to enter the name for this preset we have created for our custom match, and just put any name you like. I'm gonna choose LLE and just save it at the bottom. Now at the moment we have created the custom match. Now the question is how you gonna play that. So for that, go to home and select play. Just go to the bottom. You're gonna see the option for custom matches. Select that. Select LLE because this is the preset we have created, and here we're gonna just able to change the arena and just play it. Choose your players and just play the match. Now guys, as you can see, by default health of the players are low and they have 2 finishers stored already because we have selected like that. And yeah, that's how you can create custom matches in WWE 2K26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.